Hello everyone. Today I will start the distance between two parallel straight lines. I am taking two straight line L1 which is A1 x1 plus B1 y1 plus C1 equal to 0. This is one straight line, and second straight line L2 equal to A2 x2 plus B2 y2 plus C2 equal to 0. We have two given straight line which are parallel. First I draw these two straight line. Assume this is L1 and this is L2. Both are parallel. Now we have to find the distance between L1 and L2. First of all, I can write L1 into a normal form. Okay. The norm first I write the normal form of L1. How I can write? This is the equation of straight line. To get the normal form of this straight line, what we have to do? We have to do divided both side by square root of a1 square plus b1 square. I can write that means a1 x1 by square root of a1 square plus b1 square plus similar way a1 square plus b1 square square root c should be in right side. I can write minus c1 by square root of a1 square plus b1 square. Clear? Then in normal form we know that this term as the distance from origin to straight line. Okay, that means if I have a straight line which is like this, okay, this term represents the distance between from origin to this straight line. Okay. Similar way, now tell me the normal form of L2. Normal form of L2. Similar way, I can find the normal form A2 x2 by square root of A2 square plus B2 square plus B2 y2 by square root of A2 square plus B2 square equal to minus C2 by square root of A2 square plus B2 square. Okay, just tell me one thing. This distance is represent from origin to this distance. Just tell me. Yes, and similar way, this distance represent from origin to this straight line. Okay, that means this total. Okay, I am naming this as a p2, okay, and this as a p1. So this distance is p1 and this distance is p2. Then just now tell me, I have to find the distance between these two straight line. Okay, then what will be the value of this distance? Okay, just tell me, distance between two parallel straight line should be p. This is total p2. Okay, this total p2 and this is as a p1. Then I have to find p2 minus p1. Clear? Okay, then just put the value. What is the p2 value? P2 value is minus c by square root of a2 square plus b2 square. Yes, minus of p1 value c minus of c1, this is c2, c1 by square root of a1 square plus b1 square. Okay, this is the formula. Okay, and again just tell now observe one things here. A1 equal to a2, b1 equal to b2. Why? Because these two straight line are parallel, that's why. Now I can reduce these things. Minus c2 by square root of a1 square plus b1 square, minus taking common, plus c1 by square root of a1 square plus b1 square. Clear? Then take LCM, square root of a1 square plus b1 square. This should be c1 minus c2. Clear? Actually, this is the distance formula for two parallel straight line. If two straight line of the form a1 x1 whatever, this coefficient always equal for two parallel straight line. That means what is the distance formula then? C1 minus C2 by square root of a1 square plus b1 square. I think clear. Now the one questions, find the distance between the parallel lines this and this. Okay, I already told you two lines are parallel, then the x coefficient and y coefficient ratio should be equal. Look here, 3x minus 4y plus 9 equal to 0. This is one straight line equation. Second, 6x minus 8y minus 15 equal to 0. I can write this straight line as a taking 2 as a common. Then 2 3x minus 4y minus 15 by 2 equal to 0. This implies 3x minus 4y minus 15 by 2 equal to 0. Look here, the coefficient of x here are equal, coefficient of y also equal. Okay, this is the one straight line, this is the second straight line. Okay, we have to find the distance between them. Now just tell me, what is the formula for distance between two parallel straight line? C1 minus C2 divided by square root of a square plus b square. Here what is C1? C1 assuming 9, okay, and C2 minus 15 by 2. That means minus of minus and minus should be plus, plus 15 by 2. Clear? Divided by square root of a square plus b square. What is a square plus b square? Here a square plus b square is the coefficient of x and coefficient of y. That means 3 square plus 4 square. Clear? And take LCM, and that should be 18 plus 15, 33 by 2 divided by, this is 5. So that should be 165 divided by 2. This is the distance between two parallel straight line. Okay,